So guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl again, Sabina, as always, and today we are preparing porridge. Okay, so this is how I prepare my porridge and I want to share it with you today. So as you can see, I've already put cassava. I've already put 3 different types of flour. So I've put cassava flour, I've put sorghum and finger millet. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir them. As you can see, the gas is not yet on, it's off. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of cold water inside. Okay, so this is cold water and I'm just gonna stir it until it becomes evenly stirred. Should I say that? Just to make sure that it does not have this ball like things, you know. Yes. So make sure you stir until it's smooth. As you can see, yeah, it's now okay. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do, still our gas is not yet on, it's still off. What I'm going to do next is to add hot water. Like I already pre-boiled water and I'm just going to add the hot water inside. Okay, so let's do this. We put a little and we just stir it up so that it can be evenly stirred. Okay, so remember our gas is still off. We have not put on the heat. Okay, once we put on the gas, it's going to thicken again. You can still add more water at a later stage while it's still boiling and all that. Okay, so at this point I'm just gonna put on the gas. Okay, well, let's do this. There you go, there you go, there you go, there we have it. So next thing, we are going to continue stirring and continue stirring. Okay, it's now 5:17 p.m. I want to know how long it's gonna take us to cook this porridge. So approximately it has taken me like I started counting from 5:17. Now it's 5:29. Those are 12 minutes. Maybe I should say approximately 15 minutes. You have your porridge ready, and so that's it, guys. Let me put off the heat. My porridge is ready, and I'm putting it in my cup so that I can drink. Eish! Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye!